So today, in all transparency, I am in the garage. There is work being done on the place I'm living, and so I have a green screen behind me, so you might see a little bit of a magic act going on. If you see things disappearing, my mic here, it might come in, you might see it, and then it might disappear a little bit, or bits of me. But I appreciate you just being here, joining me today for this beautiful divine sound. We're not going to let any of this interfere with what our purpose is right now. And it's a little bit like everyday life, right? That you're going to have circumstances, and how do we navigate getting around them? Sometimes it means setting a boundary. Sometimes it means walking away. Sometimes it means just letting go. But it all comes down to really connecting to that beautiful truth and power within you so that you can get guidance on it. And now I just noticed that my mic is not set up, and I do need to plug this in. Otherwise, the sound of the bowls will not be good. So give me a second here. And while I'm doing this, go ahead and get comfortable. Sit somewhere comfortable. Sure that this is hooked in right, but sitting somewhere comfortable or laying down, whatever you want to do to ensure that you're going to enjoy this fully for yourself. That's what I want you to do. All right, so I think we should be good. All right, so the intention, there you see the magic mic. Oh, I love this community. Thank you for being with me and having a sense of humor about this with me as well today. So today we are focusing on getting rid of stress, getting rid of anxiety, getting rid of anger, getting rid of all things that take you away from the truth of who you are at your core. You know, that part of you that is steady, that part of you that's stable, that part of you that as deep as it can go, it creates that firm foundation to stand upon, to ground yourself upon, to really be able to emanate that peace from the inside out. And that is, I call it God. I call it your diamond power, your connection to that higher being, that higher source. And so let's all begin to take some breaths and know that this particular sound bath today is focused on divine love, getting us back to that center, getting us back to that holiness and wholeness. So set your intention, whatever it is, to release stress, to release any unpleasant words that you may have had, to release anything at all that is not in alignment with that deep truth that is within you. That is really the truth of what we're all about. And that is love, divine love. So let's go ahead and start breathing. Start taking in some nice deep breaths. And as you take that breath in, bring that breath into your heart center. Bringing it into your heart center. As you begin, I'm going to lower this. Hopefully you're going to hear it. I have been hearing some of you telling me that you would like to hear the bowls louder. So I'm going to bring that mic down lower as you take in these vibrations of love. Let them flow into your heart, breathing in and out of your heart center, and having that intention. As I said, it could be to release stress, worry, anxiety, insecurities, fears, whatever, or it could be to bring in peace. Just notice what you're saying, and notice if it has an effect on your body that brings you peace or that still irritates that wobble and keeps it going. And this is something that you want to play around with so that you are able to start to notice what your body, what your nervous system is responding to. What is your nervous system responding to? And here's the thing about the nervous system, right? Might respond to something right now, and then when you get in a wobble again, it might respond to something different. or it might respond really, really well to the same thing over and over again. But this is where your discovery comes in. This is where your practice comes in. Taking in these beautiful sounds, breathing them in and out of your heart center. And imagining your heart opening and releasing. Releasing anything and everything that doesn't serve you. Nice deep breaths. Breathing in what you would imagine to be angelic divine love. Beautiful streams, beautiful light pouring down. Whatever that looks like for you. Maybe it's light, maybe it's angels. Open your heart and invite it in. Let go of the day's stresses, the day's worries. Any unpleasantness, just let it go. As you take another nice, deep breath right into your heart center. Again, inviting this breath deep into your heart. Nice, beautiful breath. And as you exhale, exhaling with your mouth open as though you're breathing through a straw to the count of 4. Envisioning that breath as you blow it out of your mouth, that it's also flowing out of your heart center as you're dropping down into that heart center even deeper. Breathing in beautiful divine love. Imagine the shimmering light just flowing down, entering into your heart center. And anchoring into it. Clearing out any last remnants of wobble or stress, knowing that you have the power to create whatever it is you desire to create energetically. You can hold on to your stress, your doubt, your worry, your fear, your anxiety, or you can choose joy or happiness or kindness or compassion. We have that choice. So focusing on the area below your belly button, your sacral chakra, for those of you who are familiar with the chakras. But if you're not, it's that area right below the belly button, your area of creation. And just know you are foundationally empowered with a power that is greater than anything that is happening in your circumstances to create choices that will shift you and move you, helping you move towards your desired destination. In order to get there, we must be in a higher frequency. So choose a higher frequency. Co-create your life. And do so with confidence that you have everything you need within you. It's merely a matter of awareness, of tapping into it and choosing it. But it's all within you. You are empowered. Divine love is always there to step into. As well, you have the ability to create a world that you love by using one of your mental faculties, the imagination. Allow yourself to use your imagination in ways that support and favor what it is you would love to have in your life. And envision it now as you take nice deep breaths and imagining that divine love is right there. As you get into the frequency of the divine love and you add it to what you're imagining as your best life, you will manifest it more quickly than you can imagine. You will close the gap. Have confidence that you will create it. Let that stable, grounded feeling become foundational within your core. and wrap it all in love. And imagine beautiful angels supporting all of it, always there for you in the physical form and in the heavens. They are there for you at all times. Okay, gently coming back into the call, knowing that that divine love is always there for you. Whew, what a day. I needed this too, more than you. And I am so blessed to have you with me today. Thank you so much for joining me, for being in this community. Sending you so much love. Bye for now.